We have reached 5,000 plus family members. Yay! I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you. Hi fam, welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting ready to create another beautiful centerpiece that is very inexpensive. You can use it for a wedding or an anniversary or a baby shower, whichever one you prefer. Okay, now the supplies you would need for this tutorial are one foam ball, a bag of gems, 3 candle holders, some gemstone stickers, some flowers. Now you would need at least 4 bunches of flowers, but I couldn't find the individual bunches of pink flowers, so I just got a flower ring. You would need 2 tea lights and a LED light, and don't forget your wire cutters and glue gun, and don't forget your large round mirror. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, I have some small pink gems and some big pink gems. I'm gonna use the big pink gems, and I'm gonna put it around my candle holder. Now these have some adhesive sticky stuff on the back of them, so we're just going to take it off of here. We're going to take it off our plastic and just put it on our vase. Okay, now if one doesn't stick, you can also use your glue gun. Okay, I'm finished putting my gems onto my glass candle holder. So now I'm getting ready to put my flowers on top of my foam ball. And they have this little stem on it, so we can just stick it right in there. Now if it seems like it's going to come off, you can just glue it, okay? Now I'm finished with my flower arrangement. Now we're going to put everything together, okay? We're going to put our LED light. We're going to drop it right in our candle holder. Okay. And then we're going to just put a little glue on one side, just so it can hold the flower arrangement, okay? There we go. And that way you can open it and close it. Okay. Now we're going to take our 2 candle holders and put it on each side. We're going to drop some gems inside of each candle holder. Okay, we're going to turn our tea lights on. Drop one in here and drop one in the other candle holder. Okay, now I'm going to add my pink baby breaths all the way around my centerpiece. Okay, you also could purchase some of these pink roses from the Dollar Tree, and you can also, they light up, so you can also put this right in your candle holder. Okay, so you have this type of tea lights and you have the pink rose tea lights. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and come back and watch another one of my beautiful, inexpensive centerpieces. Mwah! Thank you for watching.